Hey boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and go over your assignment for 15.03B in math. You're going to start by going into your math course. You're going to scroll down to module 15. We're looking at 1503B, graphing ordered pairs on a coordinate plane. You're going to click on the blank page icon to open up the lesson. Click on the lesson to make it a bigger format. And here you're going to be looking at graphing coordinate points. So this lesson will walk you through how to graph coordinate points on a coordinate plane. You've got a video here that kind of goes through that. And then you've got some practice here. It shows you when you're graphing, you go across your x-axis first, and then you go up your y-axis. So for example, these coordinates 3, 4 in purple, we crawl over the x-axis to 3, and then we walk up to 4. 3, 4, and that's why that purple point is there. The 2, 6, we crawl over our x-axis to the 2, and we walk up our y-axis to the 6. So that's why 2, 6, that yellow dot is there. Same thing with 5, 7. First we crawl over our x-axis, and then we walk up before our, up our y-axis. So that's why that green dot is there. And then 0, 9, this is where things get a little different. 0, we still crawl first over our x-axis, but we don't move because we're at 0. And 0 is right in this corner here. We call it the origin. So we're at 0, and so we can't move. And then we walk up 9, and we put our plot point there. And that's why this blue dot is here on the y-axis, because for the x-axis, it's on 0. So first we crawl, then we walk. And think about life. Most babies will crawl, then they walk. So think of it that way. First we crawl across the x-axis, then we can stand up and walk up the y-axis. Some more examples here for you to do some practice. More practice with the answer key. And then on the last page of the lesson, you come to the assignment, problem solving with a coordinate grid. You're going to click on the link to open up the assignment. And this is a one-page assignment. It says the following ordered pairs show the average weight of baby boys during their first 10 months of life. Graph the corresponding points and see what you discover. So these are our coordinate pairs, and it's showing at what month and how much does that baby boy weigh. So at 1 month, most baby boys are 10 pounds. 2 months, they're 12 pounds. 3 months, they're 14 pounds. 4 months, they're 15 pounds. 5 months, they're 16 pounds, and so on. The first thing you need to do is you need to graph these coordinates on this coordinate grid. So I'm going to go ahead and model a few of these. Screenshot. Okay, so I'm going to start by modeling just a few of these. So 1 month, 10 pounds. So first this first coordinate is our x. The second coordinate is our y. So first we crawl to 1, and then we go up to 10 pounds. So 1 pound, 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I'm going to make my mark. Okay, there it is. So this bottom, this x-axis, these are the months, right? The amount of months the baby has been alive. And then this y-axis going up and down are the pounds. So that might help you as well. Your months are your x, and your pounds are your y. All right, so we did that first one. The second one, 2 months is 12 pounds. So I'm going to crawl to my 2 because that's my x, and I'm going to walk up to my 12, and I'm going to make my point. Okay, we just did that one. We'll do one more. 3 months, 14 pounds. So 3 months, crawl to my x-axis, walk up to 14, and I'm going to plot my point. So you can see as the babies get older, their weight increases. We can see their weight going up. Now, when you're done graphing, you're going to graph each of those. So I did the first 3. You have 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to do. When you're done, you've got 3 questions here at the bottom of the worksheet. What do you notice about the data you plotted? Well, we can already, if we look at this data, we can already see that this data, as the baby boy gets older month by month, their weight increases. And if we continue this, we would see the weight increase. Okay, so that's that first question. What is the average weight of a 4-month-old boy? Well, for 4 months, we would just look at the weight. The average weight of a 4-month baby boy is 15 pounds. So I just gave you the answer for that one. And then what is the difference in average weight between 2-month-old baby boys and 9-month-old baby boys? So we're looking at the difference, which means we're going to have to do some subtraction. So we would look at the 9 months, which is 19 pounds, and the 2 months, which is 12 pounds, and we would find that difference, which again would mean we would need to subtract. So once you're done graphing the rest of those points, you're going to answer those 3 questions. I helped you with all 3. Then when you're done, you'll go back to your Buzz. You'll click on your next activity tab. You also have the assignment here under attachments. When you're done, you'll click on your blue plus button and you'll attach your work. Let me know if you have any questions.